Fa la 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 la, hey y'all! Time for another video. Today we are starting Pinkmas, my pink Christmas. Yay! I have got everything pink and Christmassy just for this Pinkmas video. Today what we're gonna do is open this advent calendar, this Barbie Pinky Pinkmas advent calendar. Yay! So without a lot of talking, what we're gonna do is jump on into this. I'm gonna show you the box real quick, just kind of a little closer. I showed her in a haul video a while ago when I got her. This is just so cute. Look at all the stuff and then all the numbers for all the advent. There's 24 things. And then on the back, this is what it looks like. It shows you all the goody good stuff. And this comes off, it looks like. Yeah, look at there. So then you have all of this cute box art. Yay! So there was the box. And now without a lot more talking, we're just going to get on into this advent calendar for Pinky Pinkmas. All right, I got my little tweezers here to help me punch open these doors because they can be quite hard to get open. So we're going to go for number 1 here, which is the doll. And I hope it comes open easy. Looks like I got it. Okay. There we go. She is. All right, I cut the little strappies that were holding her in and pulled her out. Here she is. Yay! All right, here she is out of the box. She does have box hair bumps, but she's going to because she had a rubber band around her. So I took that off, and this is her hair. Now, it's odd to me that this is not a fantasy color, but this does not feel like the nice hair. It kind of feels like polypropylene, which, boo, I'm sad about. But, you know, this wasn't that expensive. I think it was around $17 for this whole set. And this girl's face is gorgeous. I love it. The only thing I don't love is how pixelated it is. And you guys can see that, obviously, on camera. And she's a clicky leg, budget body doll. But I love this swimsuit. This is awesome. And she's just a regular 5 points of articulation doll with up, down, side, all around. And then she has the arm movement, up, down, all around. And then she has a little bit of in out and then back and forth at the hip there and then where she can sit, and that is her, limited 5 points of articulation. I love the face, so I will probably body swap her in the near future. Sad about the hair though. I thought it would be, the nice quality hair because it's a regular color, but definitely feels like that gritty polypropylene stuff. All right, we have number 2 down here. Let's see if I can do it without my little helper. And I can. And what do we got here? If I can get it out. This stuff is so stuck. There we go. Here we have a little gem style purse. It's like a dark blue purple color with sparkles in it. And if you had it that way, it looks like a gem. See? Kind of like a ring maybe. I don't know. I'm assuming it opens. Had to use my tweezers to help me, but it does open. Super cute. There we go. Okay, here is number 3. Let's see if we can get it. All right, I needed a little help. Let's see. What do we got? Oh, sunglasses. These are cute. I love the pink, obviously, because I'm a pinky pink girl, and I love the shape. These are adorbs, y'all. Now down here, we got number 4. Let's see if I can get it this time without help. I did, and it's another pair of sunglasses. These are like a bright orange one. These are cute. I like the style. Sunglasses are not my favorite on dolls, but these are definitely cute, and I am interested to see what they look like. All right, on to number 5 here. It's a big door. Let's see if I can get it without whacking my setup and stuff. Woo, look at there. I love this. Love this color. This is one of my favorite colors besides pink. This is an adorable little bag that looks like it's woven. Love it, and it does. Yep, you can get it open to put stuff in, so loving this. All right, on to door number 6 here. It's another kind of big one. What do we got? Ooh, it's in a baggie. What is this, y'all? Some kind of clothing piece. Oh, it's a dress. Ooh, sparkly. Look at this little ruched dress number. Now, it is all rumpled up because it was jammed in there, but from what I can tell, I like it. It's so pinky pink. It's raspberry pink, but if you don't know and you're new here, hi, nice to meet you. But I'm a pinkaholic and I love almost everything pink. Almost, like I said. And I'm a bunnyaholic too. I love me some bunnies. And of course, I love dolls, but this is super cute. We'll have to try this on her. All right, on to door number 7 here. what do we got? Something else clothing it looks like, because it's in one of these little baggies again. Let's see, what did we get? What is this? Oh, it's a wrap. It's a little wrap. Oh, how cute. I love the fabric, and it's really, really nice fabric too, I do have to say. Not skimped or anything, and it looks like it has seashells all over it. Cute. All right, on to door number 8 here. It's a pretty big one. Feels like it's ripping down the middle. I wanted to keep this nice, but it seems impossible to. Must be more clothing of some sort. What do we got? It's silvery. Ooh, it's a jacket with Velcro. Nice. It reminds me of the Tin Man. I don't know why, but it does. Super cute. Can't wait to try all this on the dolly. And now we're moving on to number 9 here, right next to number 8. Let's see what we're going to get. Ooh, booty boots. Booty boots. I can get them out of there. Look at these, y'all. These are super cute. They got the little bows down the side. Now, me being the weird pink girl that I am, I will probably paint these bows. Maybe pink, maybe like do an ombre of dark to light pink. I think that would be super cute. I love these though. These are really, really cute. And they got the Barbie bee on the bottom and the little slit in the back, so they're easier to get on. So yay. All right, we're gonna go for number 10, and it's down here with the little kitty, if I can get it open. What's this? It looks like a little top or something. Yeah, it's a top. A little bungee top, and they even, yay, put that there. Love that, where it won't snag the top. And these are like my favorite colors. Now the pink, I prefer like this. The baby pink, that's my favorite color, but this pink is cute too, and I love it with the teal. Yay, those are my colors. Now we're gonna get into number 11 here. It is right by the last one we just opened, above the kitty. What is this? I think it's a purse, if I can get it out of there. They have this stuff really stuck, y'all. Okay, it's a pink purse. I had to get my tweezers to help me. It's a brick style purse. It doesn't open, but it's cute. I do like the detailing, but I would have preferred if they would have painted some of that, but it's pinky pink, so yay. Now we're moving on to number 12 here. Let's see what we get. Oh, how cute. It's a kitty. It looks like the one on the box. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Oh, look at the precious little cute kitty. How adorbs. And it even has a collar on that's a bow, and it's kind of like a fuchsia purpley pink. Cute. Now we've got number 13 here. Let's see what we get. Ooh, it's a necklace. Look at there. Pinky pink star necklace. Now I've seen this before in different colors, but I don't think I've seen it in this bright neon pink. I don't know how it looks. Like through the viewfinder, it doesn't look how it does to my eye. It's kind of a neon pink, but super cute. Now we're getting into number 14. It's kind of a bigger door. I wonder what I'm gonna get. Ooh, it's another purse. It's stuck, obviously. Everything seems to be stuck. Look at there. Now this is like a neon-y orange kind of color, and it's got kind of a, yeah, that was just some stuff from the box, but it's a brick style, but I do like it. It's kind of cute. I obviously, like I always say, would love if they would paint some of the details, but I can do that myself, so there's that. Now we're gonna bust into number 15. Brrr, what are we gonna get? Ooh, it's more clothing in the little baggies. What is this gonna be? Pants, I think. Yeah, little pants. Oh, these are cute with the hibiscus flowers on them and the tealy blue background. These are made really nice. Nice thick bungee at the top there, and then hemmed. Super, super cute, like palazzo pants, kind of big, wide-legged ones. Cute. Now we're gonna bust into number 16 and see what we get. Ooh, it's another necklace. It's a tealy one this time, though. Very cute. I like the color. I think I'll paint some accents on it, though, like another color. Probably pink, because I'm a pink girl, but I do enjoy this necklace shape. I don't know if I have this one or not. All right, we're gonna jump on into number 17 and see what we get. Ooh, this one's a big necklace. Look at that. Now, I am disappointed that it's just flat gray and not like a metallic, but I do like the shape. It's different. I don't think I've seen this before on any of the dolls, so that's pretty cool. I'll probably do some detail painting, not now, obviously, but in the future. All right, number 18. What do we got? It's a ring. I think it's supposed to be a ring for you or the child, but you know, it's not. It has the like open there at the bottom. I think I will use it somehow with the dollies. I don't know how, but it's super shiny. I wish the other necklace was like this ring. Super duper shiny. All right, let's check out number 19. another pair of sunglasses, it looks like, if I can get them out of there. I've gotten these several times in several different colors. I don't mind these, but again, I'm not much for these like this that are kind of crazy on my doll unless I put it on top of their head. All right, on to 20, this great big door. Let's see what we're gonna get if I can get it open. Ooh, it's the hat. Oh, look at the hat. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a peachy cream color. Oh, I love it. I don't know if it's wrinkled because it was in the packaging or if it's supposed to be like that, but I love the detailing of the wovenness and the little cutouts. Super duper cute. All right, we're getting close to the end. Number 21 here, if I can get it to come open. There we go. What is this? This little baggie. Last time it was closed. Oh, this is all small stuff. Hang on. All right, we had 3 little bracelets in that baggie. This blue one looks like it's 3 bracelets. This neon orange one with the little rivets. And then this little like gray silvery type metallic-y one with the little bumps on it. Super cute. All right, door number 22. Brrr, what are we gonna get? Shoes. Ooh, I like these already. Look at these, y'all. Oh my goodness. This looks like a new sculpt. Oh, I love this. Why don't they put these in shoe packs, y'all? I know I say that all the time, but nobody's listening. Come on, y'all. They need to put these in shoe packs. I love these shoes. These are adorbs. All right, door 23. What's it gonna be? Ooh, it's a headband. Now, I do have this one already in multiple different colors, but I don't have it in this color, this like periwinkle blue color. It's cute enough. I do every once in a while put these on certain dolls. Sometimes I put them on the ones that I sell, but I think I'll keep this one. I like the color. All right, getting to the end. Door number 24. Brrr, what's it gonna be? It doesn't want to rip. Okay. It is a lips purse. I think I have this already too, but in like a really bright red. This is a neon pink. I know it doesn't look through my viewfinder the way it looks to my naked eye. It's definitely like neon, like rockers colors. It's cute. It's a brick purse. Like I said, I already have this shape, but I don't have this color. All right, last door. Brrr, what are we gonna get? Oh, more shoes. Yay! Look at there. Let me dig them out. All right, here they are. Love these, y'all. I said it before. I'll say it again. Why don't they put these in shoe packs? This looks like a new sculpt. I love the color. I love all the like little detailing and everything on these. Super cool. All right, I kind of styled her how they had her in one of the pictures on the back of the box there. Here she is with the little hat. It won't stay on. That's why I'm holding it. You're gonna have to pop a pin in if you want it to stay, but it's super cute. I love the bag. So adorbs, I'm gonna try one more outfit on her and then we'll talk about the other little stuff in detail and then close out the video. Okay, I couldn't resist. I had to try this cute little top on her. So I just did a whole outfit. I put the little sunglasses on her head, then I put the little hibiscus pants on. I put these shoes. They don't really go to me, but I put them on anyway, just so you could see. And then the little brick style bag. I love this top. This top is a 10 for me, and the sunglasses are adorbs. Now I'm gonna try one more outfit on, and then that will be it. And here she is, styled in the final little outfit. I love these boots. They're so cute. Now, normally I wouldn't put this jacket with this. Probably I'd just leave it as is because it's super duper cute. But I thought since I got so many little pieces, you might want to see them on her. So there it is, the little jacket. And I did put one of the bracelets on her. The other ones, you know, the colorways didn't go. So here she is in her cute little ensemble from this little advent calendar, and I'm super happy with it. Okay, I did want to say just real quick, sorry about my hand. I got hurt and I didn't want you guys to have to look at the wound, so I put the Band-Aid over it. That's why that's there. Now for me as a dolly collector, I really love this set. I'm not going to say a whole bunch about it because I said everything I wanted to say already, but it is a thumbs up buy as far as I am concerned. I love all the pieces. I'm not mad at any of them. They're super cute, and I think this advent calendar, I think like I said, I paid $17 for it. Definitely worth it. And just real quick rundown, what you get: 3 necklaces, 3 pairs of shoes, 3 sunglasses, 4 purses, 1 kitty cat, 1 blingy ring for yourself, 1 big sun hat, 1 sparkly dress, 1 sparkly swimsuit, 1 swimsuit wrap, 1 pair of palazzo pants, 1 little bandeau top, 1 shiny Tin Man jacket, for what I believe is a total of 28 items. So I hope you enjoyed this first Pinkmas video. There are more to come. And if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say super huge hugs and dolly love to all you wonderful watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all are the best. And I also have to say thank you so very much for being with me and for watching, y'all. as always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great, great, great Dolly Pinkmas Day, and that all the good, best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great, big, huge, 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 huge Pinkmas subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers out there. I can never say enough just how great, just how wonderful and awesome y'all are, and how much I truly thank you for coming along the journey, seeing all the Dolly silliness and goodness I get up to here, and wanting to become part of our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family. So thank you so super much for everything, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should. Come on, y'all. Come and join this great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here together, which grows by the day, and it's so big now. I can never thank y'all enough for all the stuff you do. The likes, the comments, the sharing, every little thing blows my mind how sweet and kind y'all are, and that you want to come along the journey with us and see what Dolly goodness, Dolly silliness, and craziness I get up to here and share along and all of that. I do hauls, makeovers, DIYs, anything you can think of in the Dolly world. I'm going to try it right here, and hopefully I've created a fun and safe, happy Dolly space where we all can come together and share in all the Dolly goodness. If you're into all that and you want to become part of the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have here, come along and join us, because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through this very first Pinkmas video. So y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy dolling, happy Pinkmas Day, happy Dolly Day, and bye, y'all.